Good morning. I am going to prepare a delicious cochinita pibil. Ingredients: 1/2 cup orange juice strained, 1/2 cup lemon juice strained, 3 quarters of achiote powder, 2 tablespoons of North chicken broth, 1 kilogram pork pulled in large pieces, 2 squares of roasted banana leaves, 2 tablespoons oil. Preparación: blend the orange and lemon juice with the achiote and the tablespoon of North stranger chicken broth. Place the meat in the deep container and pour the annatto mixture. Mix and in the meat is covering and refrigerate for 5 or every day. Place in the pressure cooker with 3/4 of the water. Cover with aluminum foil and the banana leaves. Place the meat in the pot and cook for 15 minutes. Skin the meat and the rubber in the cooking broth. Heat the oil in fat and a little broth. Serve when the red onion on tortillas.